In this video, we will be learning how to solve quadratic equations using completing the square. Let's answer this example. The given equation is 3x squared plus 9x minus 14 equals 0. Since the value of a here is not equal to 1, so the first thing we need to do is to divide all the terms by 3, which is actually our a. So by doing that, we will have x squared plus 3x minus 14 over 3 equals 0. The next thing we need to do is to separate the constant term. So you have x squared plus 3x, then we draw blank here, equals, then we separate the constant term from the x squared and 3x. So that's going to become 14 over 3. And we also draw a line here. Now, what are these lines for? So the line on the left is we need to look for the constant term that will make this trinomial a perfect square trinomial. And we can do that by dividing the middle term by 2 and then square it. So 3 divided by 2 is 3 over 2, and then we square that. So you have 3 over 2 squared. So whatever we add here, we also need to add on the right-hand side of the equation. So remember, we're dealing with an equation here, so whatever we do on the left, we also do on the right. So this trinomial right here is now a perfect square trinomial. And we can rewrite this in this form. So we take one of this, x, then we take the sign of the middle term, which is positive, and we take one of the two. So there's going to be 3 over 2 here. Equals. So we can simplify the right hand side. So we have 14 over 3 plus. So squaring this is actually going to give us 9 over 4. So the next thing we need to do is to simplify the right hand side of the equation. So 14 over 3 plus 9 over 4 is actually equal to 83 over 12. Next is we need to take the square root of both sides. This one will be cancelled out. So you have x plus 3 over 2 on the left. And we're going to have plus or minus square root of 83 over 12. And then from here, we can see that our solutions will be x equals to the positive 3 over 2 will be moved to the right hand side, and it's going to become negative 3 over 2. And then we take the positive of square root of 83 over 12. And the other root is x equals to negative 3 over 2 minus square root of 83 over 12. So the square root of 83 over 12, if you can simplify it, then you can go ahead and simplify. But these two right here are the solutions to the given quadratic equation. Thank you very much for watching.